In this video, I'll show you how I've created the look for my Halloween nail art photo shoot from my previous video with DIY accessories and doing a really smoky eye for the first time. So let's dive in. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Masha. If you're new here, please don't forget to give a thumbs up to my video if you liked it and consider subscribing to my channel. And if you do, click that bell button to get notified when I drop the next video. So as October approached, of course, I wanted to do Halloween nails. And of course, like everyone, I started looking online. I came across whole lots of kind of ideas, but I wanted to find something that was easy to do for just about anybody. And while just going through the web, I all of a sudden had an idea for the whole look. And naturally, I went to Pinterest and created a board. And once I had a complete image in my head of what I wanted to do, I start looking for how I can make the hat and the necklace and what kind of shots I need to take. I knew I would need to do a smoky eye, which I've done before, but I never did a really smoky eye, like with a black eyeshadow. So that was something new that I did. That was fun. So don't be too judgy on my smoky eye, okay? I think my favorite part of the whole thing was doing the photo shoot, really. One of my really good friends is a photographer, and she was happy to help me with my little project. And originally we were supposed to shoot in her house. It was a bit cloudy that day, and she suggested to go to a cemetery that was nearby. And oh boy, what a right decision that was. In that cemetery we have found the beautiful Celtic cross, and it was just perfect. And please stay till the end for super short horror clip. The morning of the photo shoot, after kids got dropped off at school, I started with my makeup. I watched a lot of YouTube tutorials and began with a moisturizer for priming. This is not a tutorial from me, but just a real person trying something new. So I did prime my eyelids, which I usually never do, and then started applying the eyeshadow. All I can say, it had involved a lot of blending and adding a small amount at the time, and I just couldn't seem to get it dark enough, so I kept applying more of the black shadow. I kept doing it until I was more or less happy with the result. I added some eyeliner and blended that in. Because of the black eyeshadow, I did eyes first and foundation later. I used Bare Minerals Complexion Rescue Foundation. I don't like heavy makeup, and this is perfect for me. And of course, concealer is a necessity while surviving motherhood of 3. Just a touch of highlighter for natural glow, a bit of brow powder to even out eyebrows, and some blush. And the lipstick I applied on the spot. And now it's time for the Birdcage Veil. I could have ordered it from Amazon, but I don't go an easy route. I'd rather make it. Plus it cost me like $5 in materials, and I had fun making it. You can find the full tutorials from a brilliant DIY YouTuber, Emily Leffler, for the veil and flowers that I made for it. And I'll link those videos down below. As you can see, I had a little helper there. I ended up making 2 flowers in different sizes. As the veil's base, I used this plastic comb and wrapped it with a ribbon and secured it with the hot glue. A net for the veil needed to be trimmed and gathered with a thread. When that's done, I attached the net to the comb and hot glued flowers to the comb. Super easy. Now all is left is the necklace. I did not use a tutorial for that. I knew exactly what I wanted to do, and the only material I didn't have was the lace. You see, I started doing beadwork when I was in the 4th grade. I still have beads in my stash from my childhood. I haven't done any beadwork since Halloween of 2017, so it felt like it was time to get back to it. First, I secured the spider in the front of the lace and attach few beaded tassels. Secure the back of the necklace with felt and sewed on a couple of hooks. I attached a couple of different chains that I've had in my stash, and the necklace is ready.